Hi all, this is Wade with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and I just kind of wanted to do a little ditty here about the garage screen that I have here. And the reason I want to show you this garage screen here, it goes across right here, because when the door is shut, that way it keeps all of the critters out, you know. Snakes, mice, rats, dogs, cats, possum, whatever should decide to come along. It helps keep them out. I mean, yeah, they could rip through it, but most don't. They just come up to it and go on about their business. So, that's what that's for. And is what I did, I took a 2x4 right there that was 12 foot long. And then I ripped it down into the width of my garage door, which I believe was just a little over 9 foot wide. And then I took this here screen. This here was for doors that go up like on that door when it's open. Here, let me show you like this. When the door is open and you attach these like up at the top and around, and it goes on the outside here, this part of it, out here around the outside. And is what it does, it helps keep the bugs out and things like that. Well, this here's my garage shop. That was from the house. But this here's my garage shop, so I don't really worry about bugs, because they ain't gonna stop them from coming in here. And I took this, ripped down the 2x4s. As you can see, this here is this long, which is for the standard door there, like that. Now this one's a little shorter, so it's for a different door. Anyhow, that's what I did, and it's the same width as this, from here to here. And I took and laid the 2x4s down, then I took this here screen, and then I laid it on top of it. And then what I did, I took and I stapled them. See, right here, I stapled that all along there, top, bottom, down the sides of both ends. And then I cut out my end boards here. The ones for here, here, and here. And see, as you can see, it only comes up to right here, so this just another piece added on. But that's what I did. And then I screwed it in, and I used 6 3-inch number screws, 6 3-inch outdoor screws. See, there's one there, one on each end on the bottom there, and that's it. It was really simple. It took me maybe an hour, hour and a half, something like that to make that. And if you want to make it, that's fine. If not, that's fine too. But I like leaving my garage door open, having air flow through. And especially in the summertime, like I said, because it gets hot down here in the Ozarks, and sometimes it can get, pardon me, it can get hot up until the hundreds, 110, 120 in the Ozarks here. And last year we had 165 by this thermometer that I got right here. And see, it only goes up to 120. Well, it was up top past that. And the only reason I know it was 165 because I got a little heat gun that I had, and I shot around in a couple places in here. Anyhow, I'm just rambling on. But if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Tell us if you don't. Tell us if you do. Share it with your friends. And y'all have a better than average day. And come back and see us. And I'm Wade with Jimmy Branch Homestead. And I'm saying bye-bye for now, folks.